Natural oils are powerhouses of essential fatty acids, EFAs, vital for maintaining skin hydration, elasticity, and overall health. These EFAs, primarily omega-3 and omega-6, play a critical role in strengthening the skin's natural barrier, helping to lock in moisture while protecting against environmental damage. Oils like argan, rosehip, and evening primrose are particularly rich in linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid known for its ability to soothe inflammation and improve skin texture. Omega-3 rich oils, such as flaxseed and chia seed oil, promote collagen production, aiding in skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Beyond hydration, EFAs enhance the skin's ability to heal, making these oils ideal for conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. Unlike synthetic moisturizers, natural oils penetrate deeply, nourishing skin from within without clogging pores. To reap the benefits, apply a few drops of these oils to damp skin, allowing for better absorption. For a balanced approach, incorporate oils into your diet as well. EFAs work wonders internally and externally. By choosing the right natural oils, you can embrace a simple, effective way to keep your skin radiant, hydrated, and youthful.